May I just add that when I first put this site up at the end of the website creation workshop, I think that was December 2021. And so there's a picture of my site because it was one of the sites that was completed that month and so on. I was doing it in the middle of a pandemic, and I was talking mainly about life coaching to help people in the pandemic. And then my website was down under maintenance. I thought it was going to be for a short time, but for many reasons it turned out to be 8 months. But now it's up again, but I've been able to redirect it to where people are now. And it just, for me, that's just a testament to the value of the website creation workshop, because I had a really good webmaster before, but now that I can do it, throughout the pandemic and into now and continuing, I'm able to keep up with what's going on in the world and make my website relevant. So I just want to say thank you. This is awesome.
Oh, you are so welcome, Linda. Thank you for that wonderful testimonial. I'm just super thrilled, and just thank you again. And doesn't it feel good to be able to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I could be relevant as the pandemic changed. I
right.
could just change the wording and it continued to be relevant. And yeah, it was really empowering. It enabled me to help others and reach out to others. Um, so I couldn't have done it without you. So thank you.
Oh, you are most welcome. But you did the work, right? You just had the patience to learn it, but you put this together. So hats off to you, Linda.